Fitness on YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to go through the way of how to update and change the bubble on your Google account. Now on your Google account, there's a bubble in the top right corner, has a little circle and has an image. If you want to change it to something else besides it showing your initials, and basically because it's locked down from your employer, or it may show some kind of other random image, or it may show an image of your family or members or etc. This is how you're going to have to do it. So this is my work email, and you hit it, but you don't see a picture icon to touch. And it says this account is managed by a school. So your employer may say, it may state the same thing. The account is managed by Accenture, by Microsoft, by Best Buy, et cetera, et cetera. So they may have it where it's managed by them. So normally, by default, with a personal Gmail account, this is the bubble you'll see, but you'll have a picture icon which above does not say it's managed by anybody. So you can be able to just click on the picture icon, remove it or change it as you please, and so forth. Sometimes there's individuals that may have pictures that are being displayed in the bubble that are inappropriate, and they don't want that. They want to change it to something else. I have an older video related to this. This is an updated version for 2022 of January 7th. Now, this does not matter if you're on a Windows or a Mac, as long as you're on a Google, on your Gmail account. So to change it to go to this picture icon, you will need to contact your administrator. And as you can see, there's a picture icon here. As you can see, there's a picture icon here in my work, and I cannot change it. Purposely for this video, I locked it, but I'm going to show you how you can do it, or how you can reference to an admin to change it for you, or to enable it for you if approved, because this enables it globally through the organization. It's not just you as an individual. So you would want to go to, or they would want to go to admin.google.com. Once they go there and they validate their Gmail account, so let's change this to email, and then they would want to type in picture at the top, and then it's under profile information. So before I make this change, again, as you recall, I do not have the picture icon. So I will go down here where it says profile editing. You can allow them to change their name, their gender, their work location. We will just go ahead and select profile picture. And then here up here it says settings for users. Here, this is my domain, but it will be your work domain. It could be Microsoft.com or whatever the case is. So then you'll go to the very bottom right, hit save. Normally it takes about 24 hours for replication for this to happen, but we will see if this happens now. I hit this and it's still not there. So it looks like there is a replication. So the way to do this is I can go here, go to a different browser, log in again, and then there you go. Now I got the picture icon. So now if I hit this, it shows my big ugly face, and now I can hit remove or change or whatever the case may be. But you have to have that picture icon. If you do not have that picture icon, you cannot make any changes, and you will need to contact your local IT admin to make those changes for you. But again, it's going to be a change done globally, and it does say it when you change it and you save it in Google Admin. It does say it's saved globally. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helps you out. Hopefully you have a good new year, and hopefully I'll be able to make some more videos. You know, just I've been piling up on files and images for a long time. All right, well, have a great day.